Gatho cia mwanya ni gukorwo gicoka guku gwa Gikuyu Community News na ndirehoka ni urathie na mbere wega. Senator Mwamure Nyamu ni acokaneirie Miario na fan umwitete muici wa Athuri ene. Na Miario no yukite thutha wa Samido kumagaria Nyamu hindi ya kwamurwo ta senator mweru bunge-ini wa Senate kuona ni akorirwo akinominatwo ta senator. Samido akorirwo akiumagaria Nyamu hamwe na twana twao twiri ndeto cionekanite gukorwo ikire Miario mingi mwena-ini wa fans Nyamu, fans Samido na fans mutumia wa mbere wa Samido niwe Eddie Derito. Umwe waria makoreto makiaria ndeto ici ni fan umwe wakorirwo ugikira caption iria guthoma kiuga, where do side chicks get the strength to tell a married man not to break my heart or cheat on me? Women, how special do you think you are than the first wife? Don't be a devil in someone's marriage. There are a lot of single men huko nje. Tafuta uosho wako and you will thank me later. Eddie niwe mutumia wa Samido dakirire na akorirwo agicokia through a comment akiandika, it all starts with a man who doesn't respect his family, then comes a side chick who thinks she is better than the wife, then comes children who suffer because of two selfish people, and that's why suicide is in pre-teens and teens has increased. Eddie makoretwo na Samido kwa ihinda, even before we knew Samido ukoretwo ugitherema, koguo makoretwo hamwe na Samido for some time. Thutha wa Eddie gukorwo akiandika comment, your fans definitely ni makorirwo magitaukwo who she was referring to, so it's not the first time Eddie gukorwo ageikia Miario wona ni guoka kuri ndogo ya Nyamu na muthuri wake niwe Samido, na fans ni moire ihinda riu gukorwo makira Eddie ate yoti treatment njega arakorwo akiamukwira kuma kuri Samido. No agine makorirwo makira Eddie maybe she should soften her heart na akorwo accept Nyamu ta mutumia wake wa Samido. Yes, Nyamu responded thutha wa njukaniriro iyo. Kama kawaida Nyamu posted a beautiful picture of herself na agekira caption ya, for all the times you made a way out of nowhere, I call you a way maker. Na ke follow umwe athire mukwa imwe ginya below that photo agikorwo akiandika akimwita muici wa Athuri ene. No Nyamu dakirire tondu ni amucokeirie akimwira ati this is ni agire gukorwo agicorrect kana acokere wega. This is what the fan wrote: hello mwizi wa mabwana za watu. Na Nyamu agicokia akiandika, ni bwana si mabwana, rudia vizuri sasa. Tauria urona Nyamu ni akoretwo akirugama kidete na kuonekana ati ndaretekira kuhakwo ndoro ni aria maramwita muici wa Athuri, tondu kuhitukira comment iyo ni akorirwo akira fan ucio akorwo agicorrect akimwira ti muici wa Athuri ene ni muici wa muthuri. Koguo ni ara itikira ati yes, there is something happening, no mutigokorwo mukeni misquote. Most fans are mendete Nyamu ni maronekana muno gukorwo makiaria mwena wa social media na gukorwo magitetera Nyamu muno. Actually those fans makoretwo makiuga ati Nyamu ndari na marhitia na Samido niwe wakorirwo ukimukatira. Koguo Eddie ni ageire gukorwo soften her heart na korwo agitikira Nyamu ta muiru wake. Kwina fan ureto Chero Jacob arauga ashakubali hapo kwa mwizi, penye kuna issue ni namba ziko opaque. Wajikwa Dongwa arauga it only takes a willing man to be stolen, so sioni why Karen should be insulted. In fact, it majority depend on the man. Fans Nyamu maronekana kurugama nake makiuga Nyamu ndagirire gukorwo ageikirio mahiga tondu Samido niwe wamwendire na niwe wamukatiire. Sijui kana these same fans, if they were put in the shoes cia Eddie, kana no makorwo magikia Miario iyo. Ici ni ndeto iria itukinyeire guku gwa Gikuyu Community News. Let us meet in our next video. Thina mbere go subscribe, and if this is your first time kuona channel ino twitaga Gikuyu Community News na tukoragwo tugikunegereria updates na ruthiomi rwa Gikuyu. Koguo ikara haha niguo korwo ugiteithiriria channel ino gukura. Thie na mbere na go subscribe.
Goko niguo Gikuyu Community News. Make sure no subscribe niguo kamenya gwatinda atia, gwake atia na gwatuka atia. Tikonge niguo Gikuyu Community News. Subscribe.